Welcome to our premium vehicle service, where we offer top-notch PPF protection. Step 1. Polishing work. We start with a meticulous polishing process to enhance the vehicle's paint finish. The result is a smooth, glossy surface, preparing your car for the ultimate PPF protection. Step 2. PPF protection. We apply the paint protection film, a transparent layer designed to safeguard your car's paint from scratches, chips, and UV damage. Our team ensures a precise and seamless application, covering all vulnerable areas of your vehicle. Tachometer installation. The smoke tachometer provides a sleek, modern look while maintaining clear visibility. Contact us today to schedule your appointment and experience the ultimate in car care and customization.